So the issue you're having is probably some people have complained to me that they, maybe your stock is not trading, or you're having this waiting for update issue. But some reason, and this is just a video showing you the reason why uh you may not have trades running, even though you believe you have correctly set up the robot. Now what is happening here is that if you look at all these pairs, all of them are gray except for the very one on top. So what you do is you just come here, right click, and you hide all. So for the pairs that are not being used, all of them will leave this market watch. You can see everyone left there. So what you're just going to do is right click again and click and come to symbols. Now depending on whatever broker you are using, make sure that you are using a pair that is highlighted. It is not gray, it has to be black. Okay, for instance, now we are going to add let's say AUD USD. Where is it? So you understand that it is this pair, this broker has M in front of their pair. So I double click AUD USD, so it has shown it. Okay, it has shown it. And I'm going to click on close. So if you click on close, now you see that AUD USD and it is black. It is not gray, it is black. So if you drag it here, it's going to come in properly and it's going to work. And it's going to work. Let me maximize it so you can see. So you can see it is working here. So I'm just going to put the wrap robot once again, just for demonstration purpose. And I'm going to click on OK. So it is working already, as you can see. It is working already. You can see it is working already. So that it is, that is it, that is the issue. So try to ensure that all the pairs you are going to have here are going to be the recommended pair. So just right click out here and click on symbols, and when it loads up you find some of them might be M in front, some might be R, but you want to find the one that works properly. Depends on the broker you use and the account type that your broker gives you. So that is how it is. Select whichever one works. Some will be R, like some of my brokers are R, some of them are M, some of them are M like this, some of them could be C. If you're using center account, it will be C, to have a suffix of C, and some of them is just pure Euro USD like IC Market and Co. So those ones shouldn't even give you this kind of issues, but should in case they also give you this issue, that is how you resolve them. So that will be the end of this video.